Hi, Jared Nelson, Vande, Brantmeier GM. Just wanted to spend a few minutes talking to you about your vehicle's battery. We all know how important it is for our cars to be starting every time we turn the key. And one way you can ensure that is to have your vehicle's battery tested. At Vande Brantmeier GM, when you come in for an oil change, we always test your vehicle's battery. We check the cold cranking amps of the battery as well as the voltage of the battery, and we measure how much life is left in it. We've been noticing a lot of battery issues lately with the extremely hot temperatures as well. In fact, hot temperatures are harder on batteries than cold temperatures. So even though it is important to check your batteries in the wintertime, it's equally as important to check them in the summer. We are doing service other than in oil change. All you need to do is ask and we'll be happy to do that for you. Batteries range in price from $119.95 installed up to $179.95 installed, depending on the type of car you have and the quality of battery that you would like. So if you think your battery is getting low and you want me to check it for you, just give me a call anytime. Thanks.